While not a household name, Yanfeng is making waves at CES with its electric vehicle interior (EVI) concept, addressing the changing landscape of the automotive industry as it transitions to electric vehicles (EVs). Despite this shift, EV interiors have closely mirrored those of traditional gas-powered cars. Yanfeng aims to disrupt this trend with the EVI concept, presenting a minimalist vision that incorporates all essential features and functions into a smart cabin seat. The EVI concept features an active headrest with integrated speakers, safety systems, smart surfaces, storage, and charging capabilities. Although specific details are limited, the concept seems to include a module with 2 seats and a floating center console, housing a wireless smartphone charger and a freestanding infotainment system. In a departure from conventional design, the traditional dashboard is replaced by a large curved display mounted on a wraparound pad, enhanced with ambient lighting. Yanfeng acknowledges the evolving expectations of EV owners, who seek more indifferent technology compared to internal combustion engine (ICE) vehicles, alongside a desire for seamless and enjoyable experiences. The company's goal with the EVI concept is to simplify the vehicle interior while retaining essential functionality, aiming to streamline vehicle assembly and reduce weight. Yanfeng believes this approach aligns with the preferences of electric vehicle users, emphasizing technology access and a user-friendly experience. In addition to the EVI concept, Yanfeng introduced the next-generation hover seat at CES, featuring pressure sensors that map the occupant's body and automatically adjust the headrest, lumbar support, and side wings. The seat also detects changes in the occupant's posture over time, assessing fatigue levels and triggering a partition massage function accordingly. With multifaceted support blocks and a zero-gravity mode that allows the seat to recline up to 126 degrees, the hover seat offers a luxurious and adaptable experience. Yanfeng showcased a modular steering wheel concept at CES, designed to be recyclable and featuring changeable segments. The click-rim steering wheel introduces a new manufacturing process that significantly reduces complexity, saving around 2/3 of the conventional production time for each steering wheel. With 2, 3, or 4 alternating shells made of wood, leather, fabric, or natural fibers, the steering wheel concept reflects a commitment to sustainability and innovation in automotive design.